The Beyerdynamic TYGR 300R headset changes the game, no pun intended, by elevating the features that matter the most.
You can't be talking about the TYGR headset without talking to me, Nico Exotic, the Tiger King.
Nico, I told you, you've got to stay out of the costume closet. What are you wearing? Let's get that title card up. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Gamers, if you're in need of a new gaming headset, you're in luck. Today we're unboxing the Beyerdynamic TYGR 300R headphones. Here's the thing with gaming headsets. They come with all the bells and whistles, but oftentimes they don't offer the highest quality possible for those bells and whistles.
Devin, have you told all these cool cats and kittens how the TYGR headset...
Nico, please stop interrupting me and take this costume off. I need to get this safari started. Let's unleash the TYGR 300R headset. It's time to unbox this. So let's slice this open here. This is your product information guide. The headphones come with a 1/4 to 1/8 inch microphone jack. And here we have your headset. And that's everything that comes in the box, so let's get into the specs. First things first, let's look at the aesthetics. For a gaming headset, the TYGR 300R looks shockingly unlike most headphones made for gamers. Beyerdynamic opted for a sleek, minimalistic design over something edgy and laden with RGB. I appreciate the more basic design, especially if you're the kind of person who wants headphones to use in a variety of settings, on a professional video call, listening to music, or of course, diving into your Call of Duty game. These velour ear pads are super soft and the headband is really flexible, so these should feel comfortable for everybody. These are open back headphones, which means you'll still be aware of what's going on around you. Even if you're deep in your game, you'll still hear your Uber Eats delivery guy ringing your doorbell and dropping off your order, which is, of course, a major plus. Now, one thing to note about this headset is that they don't come with a microphone, which might seem unusual for headphones that are built for gaming, streaming, and podcasting. So they're actually meant to be used with the Beyerdynamic Studio microphone. If you're chasing quality when it comes to your streams, podcasts, or games, investing in a studio mic and top-of-the-line headphones is a no-brainer. So what you're gonna get with the TYGR 300R headset while you're gaming is accurate and super fast in-game localization. You'll hear a balanced sound that'll put you right at the center of the action. For all you console gamers, these headphones are compatible with both PS5 and the Xbox Series X via the jack on the controller. And of course, these work with PCs too. We've unboxed several Beyerdynamic headphones on this show before, so what's different about these? Well, when it comes to the DT880 Pro headphones, you have a more linear frequency response. The 990 Pros accentuate the bass. Both of those headphones are designed for people working in a studio. So what sets the TYGR 300R apart is the fact that they're made for gamers. Beyerdynamic takes the bassiness of the 990 Pros and combines it with the detailed treble to create the best headset for competitive gamers. If your gaming setup is desperate for a headphone upgrade, the TYGR 300R headphones should be on your radar. Shop for them at the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching.
Unbox this.
Nico, you're fired.
I'm never gonna financially recover from this.
What is going on?